Okay, you should be able to hear me now, I guess. Please let me know if you can hear me. I'll double check. But you should be able to hear me just fine now. So yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. You should be able to. Okay. So double check. You should be able to hear me. Let me notify everyone on the Discord we're live. There we go. Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, hope everyone had You should be able to. Okay. So double check. Yeah. Hope everyone had a great week. Everyone is having a great Friday. And lots of red. So let's open some tabs as we get started. So we're ready for things to take a look at. Yesterday was quite a day in the crypto space. So let's open also a FX tab. Okay. Interesting. I'll look at gold. Oh, okay. Great. Okay. So let's also say, ask me anything to analyze. As always. Spin it. Okay. Perfect. And yeah, let's get started. Great. But yeah, as always, if you have any request, anything, let me know. Anything you want me to take a look at, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. And otherwise, we'll get started. Okay. Here's Shopify. Oh, interesting. It's moving as expected. Lots of. Yeah, could perhaps be it. Let's take a look at Coinbase. Awesome. Okay, perfect. But yeah, that's a trade we're looking at that we placed the other day within the Discord. I suggested it. Actually, I have it also. You can also find it on the Discord. I posted it. So that's playing out as expected. That's good. And then, yeah, interesting overall. It's quite a move down. It's quite sharp. Okay. Okay. Awesome. So let's take a look at some indices. Also, guys, yeah, if you just joined us, welcome. Please just feel free to ask for anything to analyze, anything to take a look at. That's what I'm here for. I'll try to do my best. But yeah, don't be shy. Just ask. Here, the Dow. We did have a short here. We're thinking about a short, and we had a short within the Discord. Few days back, but it looks like we could see further downside. So I wonder if. Oh, hello, man. Hello, guys. Silver and gold. Awesome. Yeah. So let's just go with them. So silver and gold. Okay. It's good to see you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. By the way. So gold is moving basically as expected. If you remember, I did say a long time ago I was fighting for this wave forward. Now it looks like this could be happening, in my opinion. Then down for C. I don't think, again, I like to say that the market doesn't care about what you think, but what it looks like to me is that there's just, whatever happened here was just one move. So not a three of moves on ABC, but just one move. Therefore, that's why I believe it's wave A. This could be B, and then down for C. Now, I don't want wave C to be too long. Otherwise, wave 4 would be just, it wouldn't look like a wave 4. It could be something else. So perhaps a short C and then upside. Otherwise, another thing I'm fine with is a sideways consolidation. That's also something I will be fine with, as wave 2 was pretty sharp. But so yeah, that's gold. Let me know if you have questions. Silver, on the other hand, let's take a look at it. Silver. Okay. So yeah, I don't really take a look at silver often, but it is moving as expected. So I think we go sub 17. Well, the thing with silver is that so let's see. I'm thinking, can this be 5? And it can't. 1, 2. It's not the easiest count. Long term. However, let's see on the weekly. Bullish. So I don't know. So this looks like 3 to me. And not only it looked like 3 at the time, but it's acting like a 3 of move. But so far this also looks like 3. It looks like ABC to me, to be honest. So what I'm thinking is maybe something like this, and then eventually we could head lower. But for the time being, especially right now, as we are starting to form some sort of divergence, I wouldn't be so bearish. As always, let me know if you have questions, Eric, or any of you. But that's my point of view based on what I see. But yeah, any questions, anything you want me to take a look at, Just ask. So in the meantime, let's take a look at GU. So interesting. Okay, so it's moving as expected. Perfect. 1, 2, 4, 5, ABC. So here on the daily, 3 up, 3 down. But I mean, they could be the same degree, to be honest. I don't have problems with that, actually. I think they are. So now I could see upside. So let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, fair enough. I got you. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to be honest, we could start thinking about longs. Ideally, what usually happens, so if this is a diagonal, what usually happens is this. So let's do this. What usually happens is and wait for the diagonal would be a triangle. So what usually happens is the move up after a diagonal usually ends around here. So we get 1, 2, and then upside. So I would look for longs. I wouldn't buy now, but I will be on the watch for longs. That's what I can say. And it could be an interesting pattern that one I might take advantage to as well. So I don't know if you have questions on that, Patrick. Let's see. Okay. So here I see downside, to be honest. Yeah, it looks like. So unless we've had A, B, C, now we're going out to the upside. My preferred would be A, B, C for B, and then down for C. That would be my preferred view on U. And after that, we could get further upside. Yeah, let me know if you have questions. In the meantime, Eric, let's see. So about Bitcoin, I have this kind of mind. So let's take a look. Actually, this kind of mind. November 2013. Okay. Was cycle 1, January. Okay. So actually, I think we can do this. So what you're saying is up in 1, down in 2, December. So I'm just labeling it so that we can also visualize it for everyone. And then December 2017 primary 1. And then December 18. Okay. It's intermediate. Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, I have that count. This one. Yeah. I should have probably should have read it manually. Yeah. I have it 2 as a possibility. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I actually, a long time ago, I made a video on it. Like, I think several. Like several. When was it? I think several months ago. Let me see which video was it. Not oh no, might have been actually the a month ago. That one, not sure though. Might have been that one. Think it might have. Yeah, think so. What I'm not starting to. Oh, isn't it this? Oh, sorry. December. Yeah, that's actually what I was gonna say, Matt, about that's why I'm not starting to like this. However, don't look at length. What you need to look at is percentage, because it's a log scale, so length can be deceiving. Therefore, wave 2, as you can see here, is an 84% retracement. So far, this wave 2 has been a 76% retracement. So despite the fact that it is visually shorter, it's actually deeper in terms of net percentage, which is what Elliott himself cared about. So technically what you said is, it's correct. It is shorter visually, but not practically. Oh, it makes sense. But so yeah, I'm reading. Sorry, Eric. I was just answering to Hamet. So 728 intermediate wave 1, code crash intermediate wave 2. Okay. 3. Now we're going intermediate 4. Thought about it. Don't think so. I also had that one. I think I deleted it. No, I still have it. This one. It's different. It'll be different up till here. It'll be different up till here. But yeah, 3 and 4. I don't know, man. The thing is, WXY. I don't know. Alright, so maybe it is possible. We're very close to invalidation. So obviously we need to have a 30% standing for tracer. That's fair enough. So obviously we need to have this must be the low for that. So I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I guess we'll find out. But as you can see, yeah, I also added that one. I basically had 3 scenarios. 3 bearish, 1 more bull. 3 bullish, 1 more bearish. So this one, super extension, which I don't know. It's technically possible, but realistically unlikely. And then this one, which is my preferred. But yeah, long term, those are the main ones. But yeah, let me know if you have any let me know when you said, oh my god, no, dude, Eric, you're talking to me. or how much, which so Ahmed is saying, okay, Bitcoin debt, Planet Fenifan will give you a partner life for what per target of 1. So it is possible that what you're saying is could happen. I mean, saying that it has happened, it's not really something that an electrician would do. You can say it might have happened, but not, when you say it just happened, it's happening, it's, it's quite a strong statement. So basically it's something like, just if we forget about the count, basically something like this. Something like this. Again, it's possible. It will make sense. As I said again in one of my videos about Bitcoin. I go over this in more detail. And you'll read this one. So with this one, yes, it is possible. I can see that happen, and then upside. But either way, I mean, again, saying that is something. Just a second, sorry. I'll go grab some water. Sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, as I said, there's a possibility this kind would make it happen. As you said, basically. Kind of as we topped out. Yeah, as you said, basically, yeah. Degree is unimportant. I mean, yeah. Same thing as I just showed. If I'm not mistaken on it, please correct me if I'm wrong, but that's, I think, what you're referring to. As I said, possible. I wouldn't mind it, to be honest. I think it makes sense. It would also alternate. But, yeah. Again, it would also make sense to go around here. So I guess we'll see. We'll see. Obviously, I mean, if we break this point, it's possible. So we'll see if it holds. Guess we'll find out. In the meantime, okay, awesome. Yeah. So see, we're on the same page. All right. So any question, let me know. Anything you want me to take a look at, just let me know. We'll do oil, Patrick. I got you, no worries. So oil, which I do have a short trade right now. So it's still within. So basically, what I'm seeing here in oil is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to then resume higher. So as it is moving sideways. So it's either the count that I'm showing that is the correct one. The only possibility I can see alternate would be this. 3 move to the upside and then downside. So I guess we'll find out. Yeah, we can do that, Matt, for sure. But yeah, Patrick, basically that's what I'm looking at. I guess next week we might have an answer, maybe. Guess we'll find out. So on the indices, so again, I was looking at the Dow as, so here basically, let's go on the 4 hour. For the Dow, oh, it's so messy. God, I hate it. I need to clean my charts. So basically, ABC from the top. And then as we broke this wave B and reaction from it, which is usually it's a sign of a resumption of the uptrend. See this potential ABC. We also took a short here on wave C. We closed it. I was expecting at the time, I'm not gonna lie, this to hold. It didn't. It's okay. I actually wasn't any longs because I didn't have any confirmation. So it looks like this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave C. So 1, 2, 3, 5. That's basically what I can see for the Dow. Let me know if you have questions. Bit of a time-consuming wave too, but it's possible. And then the Nasdaq. Not what I was expecting. So I would like to see this low to hold, which the only way I can see that, basically I'm looking here at a 1, 2, 1, 2, which I don't know about. We could also have A, B, C. It's also possible. Otherwise, we can just, some sort of W, X, and resume lower than Y, which would make sense with the Bitcoin count, as they're both, not because of correlation. There is some correlation, of course, but because of, they're correlated because they're both risk-on assets, especially Bitcoin, obviously. So we'll see about that. For the Nasdaq, the S&P is, the S&P, I only see it like this. I couldn't count this as 5. So either a 1, 2 with something like this, flat, some sort of flat, or else just like the Nasdaq, W, X, downside. So yeah, those are what I see for the indices. So feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Like this. Let me know if you have any questions. All right. So that's been done. Okay. What else can I show you guys? But yeah, currently in this oil trade, which we'll see how it's gonna play out. So here on short time frame on gold, let's go on the 1 hour. You can see how I don't know. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could be near completion. Guess we'll see. But yeah, let me know if you have questions. Let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at. Then singular stocks here, being a bit bearish. Tesla has a very good chart. Oh, let's take a look at it. Oh yeah. Track the right direction of the market thing. So I'm not sure about when you say to track the right direction of the market. If by the market you mean, you know, the market as a whole. However, yeah, we could be some sort of wave 2. It is possible. Let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you say about this? Yeah, I guess that's possible. We'll find out. Yeah. I mean, technically, we could look for a downside in here. You know, something not too long term. Ideally, I would expect for further developments within wave 4. Maybe we do get sideways as this wave 2 was quite sharp. That's possible, but yeah, overall, it does look like we could be in some sort of wave 2. I agree with you. Some big names that are quite bearish are Amazon. Main reason is, I mean, not the main one, but the only one is, you know, from the lows, there are 3 wave moves. Guess the only way you can count this as 5 is like this, which I wouldn't. I don't like it. I mean, 3 might even be the shortest, actually. Let's see. No, it's not. But I don't like this. So yeah, I'll be bearish on these. Facebook, I think, too. Oh no, Facebook is different, actually. Oh, NVIDIA, I'm looking, yeah, we're looking for a potential shorts here on NVIDIA. And Apple, yeah, Apple is Apple. Okay, so let's take a look at ETH, as you say. This one. So I'm trying to be more bullish, even though yeah, basically a 1, 2, 3, 4 ABC. However, as time goes on, this could be some sort of A, B, C. I don't discount that. If that would be the case, then this wave 4 goes here, this wave 3 goes here, and I have no idea what this would be. I mean, this could be just ABC and then upside. Guess we'll find out, but I don't know. We need to wait. Too hard to say now. Just like for Bitcoin, there's too many different possibilities. At least from what I can see, that it's you know, we need further. You need to wait for further confirmation on all of them. Yeah. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to say. And yeah, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. Feel free to ask me anything to take a look at. I'll try to do my best. Yeah. Microsoft, same reason. I mean, Microsoft took quite the dump. Look at it. I think, let's see. So 1420. Yeah, this was big, guys, for Microsoft. It's the second largest ever since 2008. So it was quite large, which could mean opportunity long term. But again, it looks like we might get A, B, C. So yeah, I guess we'll find out, won't we? The drop, yeah. Oh, actually, I need to. God, just a second, I need to find it. Okay. So I had one where this could have been A, B, now for C. I can also see actually this as A, triangle in B. One, two, three, four, five, to be honest. Like this. This could also be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extended fifth makes sense. 1 and 3 is similar in length, and extended fifth. I wouldn't mind it. Or else, and this would mean we do resume soon. I mean quickly. Otherwise, ABC. Here. Not necessarily A completed. It could be the same thing. If wave A was a 5-wave move, then I would have problems to count it. If it was 5, then it would be much more downside. However, I mean, so the top here, the high here was 2526. 285. Oh yeah, so it was off by $3. Which, I mean, we're borderline. Like, one, two. Yeah, it's to the tick. Because I'm thinking, can this be 1, 2? And I don't know. I just struggle to see that. Yeah, let me know what you have, but yeah, challenging count for sure. I guess we'll have some. Perhaps we'll have a better idea what's going on next week. But yeah, I guess we'll find out. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know. If there's anything you want me to take a look at. What else? What else? Guys, just keep going nowhere. Yeah, look at the VIX. Look at it. Oh yeah, see, yeah, we're on the same page. So what I learned over the years is that when it's not clear, most of the time it's a corrective structure. To be honest, so I guess we'll see. Obviously, as we we fail to make we keep on making lower lows and lower highs, we're going down. So until that gets broken, we're gonna go down. We're gonna move lower. So I mean, on intraday trades, I do favor downside. Longer term trades, like the ones I take, I'm out of the market. Investing wise, I invest in in terms of investing, years. It depends on what your risk appetite is, but now it's still unclear. We might move lower and be able to get better prices. So I guess we'll find out. You're very welcome. But yeah, guys, just let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at. I'll be happy to show you, to see what I can do. And don't forget to, if you don't want to miss out on any updates, subscribe, consider it, or leave a like if you enjoyed the stream. But yeah, let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at. Also, if you're new, welcome. We're here every Friday. We stream here every Friday, or you guys can ask me whatever. But yeah, VIX quite crazy. Quite crazy. I also have a position on the Turkish index, which is moving as expected. Guess we'll see how that's gonna play out. So also, if you looked at it, let me see, Eurostock. Yeah, European markets are much more bullish than the Americans. Not sure you guys seen it, but it's the Eurostock, so the 50 largest companies in the EU, and I think it might be Europe, so including the UK. Anyways, you see how basically we recovered everything, also the DAX. Basically, we're back at 2021, November 2021 levels. Whereas, with the Americans, we're just way far from them. So yeah, guess we'll see. But definitely a red Friday, that's for sure. That's for sure. Yep. Any question, just ask. Let's see what else might be able to show you. Spotify is quite interesting. it is moving as expected, and we're basically looking for a flat correction wave 4. I don't see this as bullish, but sorry, because it looks like a 3-wave move. Let me show you in the 4-hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. So looking for the downside to then potentially look for longs. That would be the idea. This is moving lower. VFC dividend stock here. Okay. What else? Oh, CS basically. Flat dead. JP Morgan moving as expected also. Potential wave 1. And here it looks like we had A, B. Now we're into wave C. Quite a volatile day. Here, diagonal wave 1 potentially. Oh, why can't I? 1. So 1, 2. All right. Hey guys, any questions? Anything you want me to take a look at? Just ask. Don't be shy. Oh, it's quite a dump. Yeah. What else? Let's see. They just keep going lower as basically as we're expecting. Yeah. Just pressing around. But yeah, guys. So it looks like we might call it a day then in a week. As always, thank you all for joining. Don't forget to join the Discord. It's I'll send the link in the chat. It's free, and I post daily on all different topics. I mean, different ideas that I share with the chat. So feel free to join. Again, it's free, and so that you stay posted on what I have my eyes on in the markets. And what else? Again, we're here live every Friday. So if you're new, feel free to stick around. We're here every Friday, and try to do my best with taking a look at the markets and see what you guys have to ask. So, unless there's any questions, I guess we're gonna call it a day, call it a week. As always, thank you all for joining. Always appreciate it. I wouldn't be here without you, and if you're gonna enjoy it, you always, as soon as the stream's over, you can always rewatch it if you don't wanna miss out on the highlights. And as always, you guys have a great weekend. Be safe. Don't trade too much, and see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.